Hi everyone and welcome to lesson number 9 in my series of how to pronounce difficult English words. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I really hope that you have enjoyed the lessons that I've given you in pronunciation so far. If you haven't watched all 8 of the previous videos, please go back and have a look now. And if you have any questions at all, just type them into the comments below. I'm always happy to help and to answer them for you. Wonderful. If you think that someone you know would really benefit from these lessons, please share this video with them and make it available to them. The more people I can help, the better. Thank you so very much. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Okay, so what are we going to learn together in lesson number 9? We've got the word loyalty. This is quite a hard one. Loyalty. Let's have a look. We've got loy, ul, t, loyalty, loyalty. Can you try that? Well done. Loyalty, loyalty. Perfect. Well done. Great pronunciation there. Loyalty. Well done. The next word I've chosen for today is towel. You know, to dry yourself after you've had a bath or a shower or a swim. So we've got ow, ul, ow, ul. Put them together. Tow, ul, towel, towel. Your turn. Well done. Towel. Perfect. Next word, something we should eat every single day, is vegetables. Now, many people have problems with this because of its length, and they say vegetables or something like that. No, that's not right. Let's simplify it. It is just vegetables. 3 syllables there, that's all. So we'll break it down and make it more simple. Veg. So really make sure that you're vibrating that V. Veg. T. Bull. Z. Vegetables. Try it. Vegetables. Let's do it faster. Vegetables. Your turn. Vegetables. Perfect. Very, very good. Well done. The next one might look easy, but it's not as easy as it looks. So we've got the word hour. You know, what the time, basically. Hour. I'll see you in 1 hour. So it's ow, hour, hour. Your turn. Well done. We don't pronounce the H at all there, do we? It's just hour. Well done. Perfect. Very, very good. The next one we have is humid. Humid, meaning it's so hot and sticky. Humid. So the pronunciation is mud. Humid. Your turn. Well done. Humid. Humid. It's very humid today. Well done. That was perfect. Very, very good. So there are words for today. Feel free to go back, watch them again, pause the video and copy my pronunciation. If you have any questions, please ask. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you again for lesson number 10. Bye.